utu au fumalo e o hapefelo no fana te tele tato mafutaka ni tano ndio hafio kutaka mai sio na sura ile teta ya salina ndio vitua tusitaka kwenda e wale kwa hiyo ni afio tano na pale salina ndio mtatu wa roho na mtamo kwa demu tu ala tufia ndio sura ile tusitaka kwenda kwa pele ya sio vitua fio mai na ali fio na star también lo que vamos a hacer es sumar para ver que le tafao en mais Samoa fazendo a sul se justa e eu vai fio sabe que eu vai fio aí essa toalha na tava aí na ana e ele vai falar outro para eu foi ele fio na estava na planeta e tem na tudo e eu sabe outro é esse Tunaona pia na ile tatu designers na toka pia na vitu ana vaso kwa moyo ya wale aso wale kwa mata tatu kwa moyo na ni vitu sana mafimu ya hata ya sotomo ile kwa moyo representing the welcome to designers, sponsors, distinguished guests, ladies, gentlemen, and also up-and-coming artists in our beautiful Samoa. It has been a beautiful day, and celebrating the 60th year of celebration for our independence, and of course the reopening of our borders here in beautiful Samoa. And in everything we do, we give thanks to our Heavenly Father, and we would like to tanto sana molia lefia ya na tarefa sura ile tatu pokalame tutisisila ya ile tunaye pia ya tapenda tanto au figofu foi ile tunayo fashion Samoa le sura ile tasitana bena ya
fape foi tou au tou le tu mau ya ja o ne yo le bine o la o tou le tu mau ya ja mau ya te o ia lava e fu te le mai wa le fai o tou o fai o se le pe a le ya o Yesu o le bine o tangata ia na fai ia ile la unga le a Yesu na fatusa mo le la au o le tala la Yesu le fai ia o le la au e le pi ia te ia e le fua a o le la au e pi ia te ia e fua le nganga na ko bua ka le lima le ka wina ne yo tsuan ya tono ta u fo ta u mo le fa mo ta la ngona na mata la no ne ma ke tau fa mata la tala le tala la so pito le fa mo ya na mo mo le la fa ta ya ne tau amata ina le fa mo dai o i le wa de para la fai umi o lo mi mo le fu mai fa ko le o lo mi mo le fu mai ya ta wala le lo mi le ara lo fu mai ya o le lo i ke di ya Yesu fa kasi lang sa tumo lo lo ina le fa mo lo mi lo fa mo la le ka fu mai a ti na lo ta la le ngo la pi ya Yesu la ya to je mo Yesu la fa ma na le fu te ma te le yo a ti na ka to le ku ya fa la wa le ko fa lo ko te to ku ma fa sa ko yo ta ma ko ma le ya Yesu ya todo ta ay Yesu ne ti ya le te se te ta una ma ko ko di Allah sama hafa le te da le fo ay ya ta ay you are righteous if the man remains in me and I in him he will bear much fruit Allah sama hafa le mo le oleh kusua, jadi kalau orang semua itu mau miara kusua aja, ya tu oleh orang tu kaya itu, kalau semua ya boleh mau miara, apa, tu kalau mafua aja. Dai le to ya to lo mingo le sito spirito lo la fiora di Cristo le sito si ma lo se le una le la mano yo lo vi pa per la ta to si sai ti è per la ina le di fa mo sai no fas la mo ko le se le di ya ona sua tindero Samoa ya pastai Roma la venta ya de la mujer de la vaya sama ya tu de la mujer la mujer la pena que mana kana filha foi que o ano era kana ia ina bingo depois pide kalau saya makan aja orang mafua oleh mana juga kena oleh manusia untuk kamu boleh ada dia kalau itu cuman la faib dari tuan fakir Mato makawa o wati na wale mwana kumia le ngato le tu lo kasi pa te le moto ma to te to le sele no kayenta aoe ro e tala na mai o maka o so moto mala tama la ka na le ati na e pa te le na o na Mato na força mo na ele é fua telema é fua atima é fua mata o que mais ele atina ila o algo ele mato wala ta bina mo no na faya awo é tu na fua ina kana no ele é mato to ia se taiba essa ma eu cara de solução mundial eu ou funinga mata para tu te fazer ilha de te para lo ya ta to mo ele ya para tu fia fa taia de neia tina para que mo vai lá so la para o knowledge do from fa só que isso o mato o olho o trabalho
mulher tu leva até sobre ele está sentado bem até está usando a luta de fiafi e a oliaria lá o fa a peveu na de todo tanto lá o tuoi e ma te a tu lagi tu tani mana ia e na sabo le te de fiafi na tu ia tu mata o ave fa forma tanto maftana e nata le tula pela yena to fito to men fa be wele so ya le ko tanto fatasi ma Samoa koto ila to le ha ibai fifia ya itarina ya o tuna be re tanto borders de fito sana ya au tanto fifia fatasi ya ile monta ma le lava ya be na ya Sogi nei stebi ya ona te atule le tupa pala Samoa ya la fiamma ministra ya tu so fa mo le fiafi ya watu ya taraga ya ami ya le tutusfoi ya wale tamsile ya sisingale kanisia de mos le tanto maya tu fama mo e pelo le estação la fama mo lo kanisia alo faftai su me foi su me toa ya le tebi taraga fa solo tanto fama mo ya la ami our keynote address for this evening, and of course Minister of Tourism goes hand in hand with the event. One of the activities to celebrate the 60th independence celebration of Samoa, LifeCon, as it stands the Independence Fashion Event in its 5th season this year. On behalf of Director Agi Kevin Lucky, I'd like to welcome Ofiona Minister ya Mola Sama to Matasha Tato Au, Honorable Minister of Tourism and Environment, Cedric Schuster. Hey, hey.
Sono le afferenga per l'anno uguale più anno vai muso. Io la firma di Minister for Commerce and Labor, distinguished guests, partner organizations, sponsors, participants, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks to the organizers for giving me an hour to organize a speech for tonight and the opportunity to give the keynote address on opening this LifeCon Fashion and Art Event Season 5. It is a great platform for our local designers and creative artists to display their wares, as well as providing encouragement and pathway for aspiring entrepreneurs and fashion industry to elevate Samoa fashion to a global level. We as the government place great emphasis on developing these natural talents that are plentiful in Samoa, especially in the creative and performing arts as a pathway for employment and national development. If nurtured rightly, I can see some of our fashion designers and models and creative artists parading in the glamorous New York and Paris fashion galas. From a government standpoint, this will mean high-end employment opportunities, as well as more tourists for our shores. I'm encouraged to see the evolving and improving designers each season, and hope this will continue its rapid ascension and elevate it to be a premier event in the local, regional, and hopefully global calendar. It might be years to get to the New York and Paris walkway season, but we need to crawl before walking, but continue to dream of running in the near future. Government places great emphasis in developing these talents, and we do hope that this will be a continued and growing industry that will utilize all the talents we have in Samoa. I do acknowledge the perseverance and the determination of the Lifecom team in pushing through with the event so soon after our border reopening, that the show must go on. I want to acknowledge our well-known designers such as Upolu for susui your whakalama and looking for your whasinumama, and be willing to come and share your knowledge with our local designers. I acknowledge that more than 100 pieces will be showcased from both local and international designers over the next couple of days. I've been told that there are several performing and visual artists that will be featured. I see some of the creative artwork at front. I hope you will all go tonight having purchased one of those artwork in support of our local artists. I congratulate everyone involved, from sponsors, designers, hair and makeup, for continuing to build this platform for our creative industry. We look forward and wishing the organizing committee and everyone supporting and following this platform all the very best for the next couple of days. I now declare the Lifecom Pacific Season 5 officially open.
How about another round of applause, everybody, for the official opening of Lifecom 2022. Wow! Hey, hey! Yeah, when I took off the dinner, the Honorable Minister, to sorry, Beona, Samoa, Fairo, Fogi, to Lama, Hotel, Tato, Family, and without further ado, we would like to get on with the entertainment that we provided by Space for the Samoa Performing Arts and Creative Excellence for us this evening, and moving forward to some of our designers that are here with us, and of course, program moving on to the weekend. Put your hands together for Space. to contest to our space. Samoa performing arts and creative excellence. They want to do international artists. The original artists we have, we would like to acknowledge this very evening, the artists that will be performing for us the whole weekend. The first day today, second day tomorrow, of course, the finale on Saturday, Tomesina. When I read out the designers' names, please put your hands together. Upolu, Safari Creations, La Pizza Samoa. And as you see the runway from the steps within Lama, these are some of our designers and fashions that will be showcasing. Sing Musika, si Safari Meta to Horus, Rimani Samoa, Nelly Samoa, Mona Ele, Lucky Max, Arilene Couture, and Fina Uso. Please welcome our models, runway showcasing some of the fine designs that you will see throughout the weekend. And of course, the finale on Saturday.
While the media takes some classy photos this evening. We also like to acknowledge one of the very important people here with us this evening. Of course, they're called the Fourth Estate, our media. But you might want to start a little faster. Pero tato yai ia tupu foi mai tamali fai la uno tanto tunuku ia ile to tau fai noina tase utaya ia lo tustama mo fasan la talainga ia tanga maya ia pona fio ia na mana tipi au tanga maya ia ole plestene ole jaws suma ia lagi talainga ia le dua ame sene ia panisio le tanto tustama mo fasan la o fito i tono ia ne fiafi le fanga uno ina no ia o le tamu fainga i le tumanga peo na iai la hei ia o tani ne sese o fai ona fosi tono le tanto la matino. We'd like to acknowledge our sponsors, those that have been so kind to assist with LiveCon 2022 to coincide with the official opening of our borders and of course the 60th independence celebrations of Samoa. Island Rock being the major sponsor, the ILO, the United Nations, Samoa Resort, all the way from the big island of Sogi, UNDP, Samoa Media, the Maua app, Digicel, Paleomo International Airport, Samoa Observer, and of course, bringing beautifulness back, the Samoa Tourism Authority. Ya malofa aftai ya tema ise patpatele payel tato fia. That's just a glimpse and a short preview of what's to come in detail and more. Not only tomorrow but also the finale on Saturday that we'll be seeing at Taubesina Island Resort. Tomorrow we'll have the night market within the government grounds and the official opening of the Friendship Park just on the other side, or may I say, behind the government building at LL4. Afa pe ye tato au fia foi la to wa mai le fia fatawina ya silsila ya leo afa pe ona fa la lo ia ya tato la ya manisio designers mai la tu fantasia ya nei foi tan faina ya Peter no more tato mauta tel malo ya nga ya tu de malo tato tu ya silsila mai mo ya ma sidi foi inisio la to e to tau failo atu ya mai to iva la to afa alu Saufai Creations, La Pita Samoa, Rimani Samoa, Nelly Samoa, Mona Ele, Lucky Max, a relay tour, ia ma fi nau uso. Ia le fa pe foi ona tau tau ai, la oi la vai la ei, ia ma oi la vai sikai, o aso uma, o sikai o tafaoma, ia o happy hour, pe ona ia le fi afi. Ia sikai foi o tafaoma le 24/7. E al watu fasa watu ia o le losa, o le fitu lima, ia maisi fale fa pena hoteli loa. Ia fatasi foi pala e o le sunga fa fengainga mal faltua. Ia e pe ona silafia o la ia tuai le lotu. O ia pe lawe wa mai ona e lei i mamalu ese o tato tunu. Ia to le tal fengai ia mal finangalo foi nisi o ilato ia lo tala idan finangalo mal tala lei ia ale tua. Just want to inform everyone that are here, please check out the Maua app if you want to visit and also buy some of the materials and likewise the ready-made fashions already prepared by our local designers and those from overseas as well. The 3-day event beginning this evening, showcasing in front with the mini exhibition just in the front area of the foyer for the Lava Hotel. The market day and night tomorrow, and of course the finale at Taubesina Island Resort. The Moa app, you also have the tickets available, 200 tala per person, comes with a lot of benefits and also the benefits as well. We also have with us Doa from Denmark, one of our visitors, and you visiting Samoa as the 198th country without flying on the plane but traveling on the ocean. Toa, can I have you up here, please? Together with Toa is dining this evening with the Honourable Minister of the Ministry of Public Enterprise. But Toa, Talofa, how are you this evening?
Very good, thank you.
Yeah, just some brief words. You look very elegant with your shirt. Where'd you get that?
This was a gift from the Samoan Red Cross Society.
Nice. Well, tell the lovely people this evening part of your journey and how Samoa is the best ever country that you visited in your whole journey.
Undoubtedly, I'm thinking about staying here forever. Well, I'm very honored to be here tonight. I'm in very good company at the table over here. I'm being hosted very elegantly within Samoa, and I've seen a lot of beauty and met a lot of nice people, and I try to see if I can share all of this with the people that are following the project and hopefully make a kind and nice promotion of Samoa.
So, are you married?
Yes, I am. I shave my beard every time I see my wife, so you can see this has been about 4 months now since the last time I saw her, and I'm hoping to see her back home again around mid next year.
Thank you very much for visiting Samoa, and all the best for the rest of your journey. One more time, everybody, all the way from Denmark, visiting our beautiful shores and fashioning also himself the beautiful shirt that was handmade by those from Red Cross. Do we have any other visitors from overseas here with us this evening? Make some noise. Yeah, we have some international visitors. How about our domestic and local tourists this evening? Make some noise. Yeah, remember, local tourists, buy a ticket to watch our finale on Saturday at Tamasina Resort. Come and see Mahangi Kevin and Tyra, Tofu and the crew, and also Jenkins and all of them, just where the dinner buffet area is at, and also the mini exhibition in front of the foyer of our town. Check the Maua app for more information, and also our online Facebook page, LifeCon 2022. Yeah, po afa alu. Yeah, if you can just come up, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Probably our highest achieving fashion designers that have walked the catwalks of New York and everywhere else. Malo Afa, say a few words for everyone here, and of course, the aspiring and up-and-coming designers here this evening, and wow, everyone looking beautiful this evening, right?
Yeah. Well, thank you everybody for coming. It's a great pleasure to be back home. I'd like to thank EMD and LifeCon and the UN for making this possible for me to be here. I started here in Samoa, and I have traveled everywhere just by using my God-given talents. And there's nothing that makes me happier than doing fashion and being a fashion designer. I hope that all our designers who are here and who are aspiring to be designers know that if I can make it, anyone can make it. I grew up in Failima and Lotapa. I sold fruits and kawas and stuff on the streets, and here I am. So if I can make it, anybody can make it. I don't want to hear no excuse from nobody. So anyways, thank you so much. Hope you have a good evening and enjoy the show on Saturday.
Thank you very much. We got some frequently asked questions for you this evening that you made it big time. Just talk a little bit about your experience and the highest that you ever reached for everyone here this evening.
I've showed in Buckingham Palace. I was invited by the Queen of England to show my dress in front of the royal family in Buckingham Palace about 3 years ago, representing Samoa. I've been featured in fashion magazines such as Vogue, Vogue UK, Elle magazine. I've also been a a reality TV show called Project Runway, USA edition. It's a fashion design competition. Yeah, and many more things that I don't want to talk about, but those are the main things, so thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Afa. Big round of applause, everybody, for one of the highest ever reaching fashion designers that we've had all the way internationally, and being so kind to come and share his knowledge and experiences with everyone here in Samoa. And from the village of Falelima, in which Reverend this evening just recently CT'd from, and of course, a Savai boy himself. And with that, we conclude our formalities, ladies and gentlemen. Please visit our website, LifeCon 2022, and also our online pages, the Maua app, if you want to order and book and review, and also visit our finale to see more of Upolu and the rest of our designers for this year 2022, and likewise coinciding with the 60th independence celebrations of Samoa. Manuel ne fiafi, tato fiafiam tato eva, fai fai le mu.
Oh yeah, Io è mamma. Papa io pia di me umma. Se ngalo kangwa umire bango baru Vai uga como si. Au wa si. Fa fene dona mes. Ore makakara wa masi. Ore keshi ole ari.
Please make your way to the art exhibition at the foyer, just in front, next to the buffet.
And when they smile, so do we.
And ask some Christians to take some photos and revisit anyone that I...
In Samoa, smiling. To all mums out there, encourage good brushing habits early on. It only takes you 2 minutes to teach your child how to brush twice a day for strong, healthy teeth. Come on, mums, it's you first. Start a healthy habit with Colgate today.